Hi, I'm Dorota. I'm working for Falck Ambulance Company. We are doing the emergency and we also do the patient transport, but it's not the only thing that we are doing at Falck. The Falck history is back to the fire services. That's how it all started over 100 years ago. So we also have the fire business. It's mostly industrial fire. And we also do roadside assistance. In FleetWave, we have around 4,000 vehicles, but it's mostly ambulance. I guess being able to track maintenance to make sure we do all the services on time. And before we implemented FleetWave, it was really difficult to keep all this data in one place. The countries were doing things in Excel. So having everything in one system really helps a lot. To have the correct mileage, to make sure that we have data on a daily or at least regular basis in the system so we can keep track of necessary repairs and services. That was a great improvement. We used to do the paper-based daily checks. We used to do paper accident reporting, and now we do have the driver advanced app set up for a daily process for both PTS drivers, for ambulance drivers, where they can report the daily checks. That's the first part of the day. And then they can also report all the defects during the day. And if there is an accident, we have the form to actually fill in all the details about accident. That can go directly to the claims team, where is it handled accordingly. I think that would be the work orders. That's the huge part of the daily work of our fleet managers across the globe, but also the daily checks. Defect reporting, I would say that's the improvement, because we used to have different systems where the crews were able to report incidents, and now we have it all in FleetWave. We don't do double work for example, from the quality management system to FleetWave or from any other source. I think the customer support is the part that I like the most. Is anytime anything goes wrong, I can reach directly the support team, and also having the experts available. We can ask the questions. We can ask how we can improve the operational work. That's super important. Also to have the insights how other customers are dealing with the same issues. It adds the great value for us.